Okay, now trading the news, it can take years to work out the structure you need to be a consistently successful trader. And that's because there's a lot of variables to consider. But the general plan is you need to survive the initial volatility and retracement process. If you can do that, well, then the rewards are quite massive. Now, first of all, you need to get in at the exact right level. Now, this isn't a level that we've just drawn out of a hat, right? It is very precise and exact. Why? Well, we first need to survive the initial widening of the price. And this will vary depending on the level of impact of the news event. So it needs to be outside that widening of the price. And then secondly, we need to manage the first spike and the retracement. And if we can do that and survive the retracement, then the rewards can be quite massive. Now, on the face of it, it looks pretty easy. Okay, it doesn't look too hard. You've got your entry level. You see the initial spike. It retraces back towards the market level pre-release and then continues on upwards. How hard could it be? Well, let's throw in some reality. The level of impact of the data, okay, from low, medium, high, and then even considering extremely high data. The initial widening of the price can vary dramatically. And when that varies, what can happen? Well, you could get gapped. Your entry price is no longer at your optimum entry price. You're now executed an extra 10 or 15 points away from your entry level, which means your stop loss is dragged up inside the retracement zone. And you can quite easily get kicked out of these trades before the trading opportunity has a chance to really get going. And the other variable, trendline proximity, that can alter the initial spike and the size of the retracement process. Now, the million-dollar question is, what is that exact level to get in and the trade plan I need to survive the initial widening of the price and the retracement? Well, unfortunately, the variables that we have to deal with mean you need a variable trade plan for each specific event. It's not a case of one trade plan fits all. It's important you understand this because as we go through this next section, I'll go through a whole range of scenarios where the trendline proximity is 10 pips, 20 pips, and 60 points from the market. And then also with no technical setups for all various impact levels. I'll show you exactly where to get in and how to get in. And then the trade plan you need to maximize the potential. Now, this is going to open your eyes up to a whole new realm of trading. So buckle up, you're in for a great ride.